Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Black & Decker portable air conditioner is not turning on or suddenly stopped working, it can be really frustrating, especially when you need it the most. You might press the power button and get no response, or the unit turns on briefly and then shuts off. This can happen due to simple issues like power problems, safety features, water tank limits, or internal resets that need to be done. The tricky part is that the unit may not clearly tell you what's wrong, which makes it feel like a major issue. The good thing is that, in most cases, this can be fixed quickly with a few basic checks. Once you go through the right steps, your AC should start working again normally. Try these. Step 1. Check that the unit is properly plugged into a working outlet. Step 2. Unplug the AC, wait a few minutes, then plug it back in to reset. Step 3. Empty the water tank. If it's full, Step 4. Clean or check the air filters and vents for blockages. Step 5. Ensure the mode and temperature settings are set correctly. Step 6. Try a different outlet or check the power cord and fuse.